In the competitive field of finance and cryptocurrency, your online presence is your digital storefront. Today we are happy to introduce you TNC Crypto, a special finance website template designed by ThemeNocde. Featured on the Webflow marketplace, this template is ready to change the way you present your crypto services or financial services. TNC Crypto is a one-page Webflow template, especially for crypto platform. Let's take an overview of this template. TNC Crypto is a Webflow optimized template and offers lightning-fast performance and user-centric interface for stunning websites. This template has a sleek, modern design that exudes professionalism. All buttons will be displayed with a nice hover effect, and you will get a unique carousel on the homepage. All graphics are optimized for devices with high DPI screens. This template includes best optimizing sections like Hero section, Features section, Pricing section. Displays perfectly on computers, tablets, and phones. Site navigation automatically reduces to a mobile-friendly menu on smaller devices. You also get newsletter subscriptions. These features make TNC Crypto finance website template a powerful tool for cryptocurrency enthusiasts. You can preview this template in designer mode. Here you will get an idea of how it looks on different types of screens and devices. It ensures a positive first impression, improves user experience, and helps convey your brand identity effectively. Now let's see why should you choose the TNC Crypto. Webflow optimized, fully customized, modern and clean layout, regular updates, dedicated support team, intuitive user experience, and many more. For more information, visit the Webflow marketplace and enter ThemeNocde designer profile, and you will find it.